Hello guys, welcome again in my channel Aviation Law Zone. Many people asked what is difference between aeronautical engineering and aerospace engineering. So today I will tell you about what is the difference between aeronautical engineering and aerospace engineering. So let's start without time wasting. Many students in India desire to take up aeronautical and aerospace engineering, but with a lack of proper knowledge they'll end up making a puzzling choice. The field of aerospace engineering is a broader and advanced term compared to aeronautical engineering. Aerospace engineers develop new technologies for use in aviation, defense system and spacecraft. Aerospace engineering focuses on designing both aircraft and spacecraft, and it is a study of all the spacecraft uses within and out of the Earth's atmosphere. The field of aerospace engineering is a broader and advanced term compared to aeronautical engineering. Aerospace engineers develop new technologies for use in aviation, defense system and spacecraft. Space engineering focuses on designing both aircraft and spacecraft, and it is a study of all the spacecraft uses within and out of the Earth's atmospheres. While aeronautical engineering is the study of aircraft that operates within the Earth's atmosphere. Aeronautical engineering focuses on designing aircraft, helicopters, aeroplanes, and study of subjects such as thermodynamics, heat transfer, aircraft structures, flight mechanics, aircraft stability, and controls. In aerospace engineering, they will learn subjects like spacecraft design, introduction to astronautics, fundamentals of jet propulsion, spacecraft dynamics, orbital mechanics. However, aerospace engineering is the superset and aeronautical engineering is a subdivision of it. Whichever branch you choose depends on your career path. If you are interested in a career in the space industry, it is better to choose a course in aerospace engineering. If you are interested in work in the commercial aircraft industry, it is better to choose aeronautical engineering. If you are looking for an advanced option and global exposure, then look, aerospace engineering is an advanced subject, require high expertise and gives more exposure to a flourishing global career. If you pursue a course in aerospace engineering, it will enhance your knowledge about both aeronautics and astronautics. You will not only learn about aircraft but also about spacecraft. Moreover, India too is rapidly becoming involved in space research. There is no dearth of opportunities as it is a skill-based field. The one who possesses the dexterity to survive will be paid well. Now we will know about scope in India. In India, the major set of employer is from public sector, namely HAL, ISRO, ADA, ADE, DRDO and NAL. There are private companies like Tata Advanced System, Taneja Aerospace, Mahindra Aerospace, L&T, design offices of multinational like General Electrical, Boeing, Airbus, etc. have emerged out providing significant growth and opportunities to the engineers. Now we know scope in abroad. There are immense opportunities for aerospace engineers in countries like United States of America, France, the UK and Germany. National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA, which is a US federal government agency responsible for the aerospace and aeronautical research, has a good number of engineers of Indian origin working with them. Now many students have coming one doubt about cost of study. So let's start. I am telling about this. Aerospace engineering is offered by very few university in India. The cost of the course depend on the chosen university, but the overall approximately cost of the course is 7.5 to 20 lakhs for BTech in aerospace engineering. Is a 4-year course and is worthy of the time and money. Now we will know about the salary. In India, the salary offered in this field completely depends on the experience. The average salary for an aerospace engineering is rupees between 6 to 7 lakh per year. However, the salary also depends on the level of academic qualification and experience. And in abroad, aerospace engineers working in abroad are offered an average salary of 18 lakh to 1 crore per year. Let's go a little more about engineering. Whatever the choice, your main focuses should be in choosing to best institute that provides these courses. Bangalore, the most technologically advanced city of India, the best BTech program in aerospace engineering is offered by IIAEM, Jain demand to be university. The courses is designed in a such way that it meets the currently requirements of aerospace organizations. It is carefully formulated by adopting the curricula that provide comprehensive learning and a wide range of services to support a dynamic learning approach for the students to become future ready. Some other universities offering BTech program in aerospace engineering are Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology Kerala, Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies Dehradun, like etc. So guys, it was in full detail about this. And guys, before lifting, please like, share and subscribe.